My name is Tunde Ajayi. I'm the General Manager at the Lagos Environmental Protection Agency, and I'm glad to be hosting the validation workshop for the action plan, the management action plan for air quality management in Lagos. And we think that this collaboration with other stakeholders on structuring and creating a management plan for the air quality of our megacity is a first step in ensuring that Lagosians begin to breathe in good air. We will be having subsequent editions, but this validation workshop strengthens the regulations that we have around air quality.
That these action plans you are reviewing, we didn't just come up with it, like I explained. They were actually from peer-reviewed articles on this subject, contextual for Lagos, as well as the feedback we got from stakeholders at the consultation and grey literature. Then we turned those recommendations into actions. That is what is here. So none of it is exactly, we didn't just come up with it. However, we recognize that some of them may already be operational, some may not be operational yet, but you may find that maybe they are not realistic or they are realistic. Those are the kind of feedback we want from you.
In our group, what we concluded during our discussion, we discovered that we have a lot of policies, but what we lack is implementation of those policies.
We agree that there should be collaboration. Agencies should work together. For instance, there are places that we felt that some agencies were left out.
Thank you, everybody. Everybody has contributed, in fact, more than our expectations. So please, if you have more to write them down, and we'll take note of everything.
My name is Dr. Olanike Maria Primo. I'm an associate professor of microbiology at the University of Lagos. We are here to validate the documents on the action plan for air quality in Lagos State.
We're all here to rub minds together to assist in policy making on air quality and environment in the state.
This is a project that we have embarked on for almost going to 2 years now. It has gone through a series of process where we have had a series of workshops, inception workshop, stakeholder workshop, and various workshops before we arrive at this validation workshop.
And at the end of this workshop, we hope to put together all the views and perspectives of air pollution management and come up with a policy for the different stakeholders.
Lagos State has been in the forefront of air quality action planning, and the workshop is to ensure that Lagos State is able to take giant steps forward, engaging stakeholders, bringing them together to discuss the various action plans that have been decided on previously, and to validate these action plans.
It's a very good workshop, and I'm happy that I'm here, and we're getting on, and we believe that when the implementation of all of this action plan comes, it makes the whole environment fit and habitable for all of us.
So the workshop is just for us to validate all the policies or all grey informations or documents on air quality.